Good afternoon to all the students. In the previous lecture, we have started the methods to solve numerical methods to solve ordinary differential equations. We have already discussed Picard's method, Taylor series method, Euler's method, Milanese predictor corrector method. In this lecture, we will discuss Runge-Kutta method, that is RK method, or Runge's formula to solve ordinary differential equations numerically. So from Euler's modified method, we have yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus h by 2 function at xn comma yn plus function at xn plus 1 yn plus 1 star, where yn plus 1 star is equals to yn plus h times function at xn comma yn. Therefore yn plus is equals to yn plus h by 2 function at x and yn plus function at xn plus 1 comma yn plus h times function at x and yn. We have in this equation we have substituted the value of y star n plus 1 in the above equation. So let k1 is equals to h times function at x and yn, k2 is function at xn plus h comma yn plus k1. Equation 1 can be rewritten as yn plus 1 yn plus h by 2 function at xn yn plus, now here we have replaced xn plus 1 by xn plus h. Since the values of x are equidistant, we know that x1 is equals to x0 plus h, x2 is x1 plus h, and so on. So xn plus 1 is xn plus h, and the remaining terms, it is yn plus h function at xn comma yn. Using 2 and 3, we have substitute the values of the terms by k1 and k2. So yn plus 1 is yn plus half k1 plus k2. This is known as Runge's formula of order 2. Again, further setting k1 as h times function at x and yn, k2 as h times function at xn plus h comma yn plus k1, k3 as h times function at xn plus h comma yn plus k2, k4 as h times function at xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2, and then let yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 4 times k4 plus k3. This is known as Runge's formula of order 3. Again, setting k1 as h times function at x and yn, k2 as h times function at xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2, k3 as h times function at xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2, and k4 as h times function at xn plus h comma yn plus k3, and yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. This is known as RK formula, this Runge-Kutta formula of order 4. So here we have three formulas: RK formula of order 2, RK formula of order 3, and RK formula of order 4. So we can use any of these three formulas or as mentioned in the question. Consider an example. Apply Runge-Kutta method to find an approximate value of y when x is equals to 0.2, given that dy by dx is equals to x plus y at x is equals to y naught is equals to 1 at x naught is equals to 0. So let h is equals to 0.1. In this question we have assumed as h as 0.1. Here x naught is equals to 0, y naught is equals to 1, function at x comma y is equals to x plus y. k1 is equals to h times function at x naught y naught. Simply we have substituted the values and calculated the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4, and then we have obtained the value of y1 as 1.11034 corresponding to x1 is equals to 0.1. For the second step, we have again calculated the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4 as per the formulas, and then calculated the value of y2 as 1.242803 as corresponding to x2 is equals to 0.2. In this question, observe that we have calculated the value of y corresponding to x is equals to 0.2 in two steps. We have not directly calculated the value of x is equals to 0.2. We could have taken h is equals to 0.2, but we have to take a smaller value of h so as to increase the accuracy of our result. So whenever there is such a type of question, try to take at least 2 steps to solve the question. Hope this lecture will be fruitful for you. Thank you. And if you have any queries, you may ask me. Thank you.